Hello everyone and welcome back. I have this look I want to create for you guys today. It's very soft, very subtle, and my lips are very dry, so excuse me a moment before we begin. I'm going to apply this LA Colors lip gloss in Coral Crush. My lips, look at that, they're ashy looking. They're very dry. Give me a moment, if you will. Thank you. Oh, pretty, right? Very nice. I need some more. Smells amazing. Oh yeah. Moisturizing and very pretty. Like it. Okay. I already started this look. I applied the LA Colors eyeshadow primer. I did my brows with the LA Colors eyeliner slash brow pencil in brown. And for today's look, I used the LA Colors Rose eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty colors. Okay. Oops. Oh, there it goes. I'm going to begin by picking the eyeshadow up right there and applying it on my brow bone. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yesterday's look, my brow bone was really popping, and it's because the LA Colors traditional palette, that matte white is no joke. That's a very strong matte white shadow. And we have that. Now I'll pick up this Boutique eyeshadow brush, and so I remember, yeah, it was that eyeshadow right there. That one on my fingers. Apply that on my lids. On my lid, excuse me. I already did that one. This is a very soft rose eyeshadow. Very pretty. Very natural looking. Very sweet, soft, sweet look. Which is what I'm going for today. Oops, I just remembered I was supposed to do a blue look, right? And I can't do it tomorrow. Well, let's see how early I come back tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an appointment. Mental health. Well, my psychiatrist. It's very soft, very sweet. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, now pick up this pencil brush, and this is by Essence of Beauty. And, oh yeah, picking up that eyeshadow right there. That taupe. It's the lighter of the taupes. I'm going to crease with that. And how I did it today was I just followed that curve of my eye socket like that. And that's how I do a cut crease. I was thinking of doing it with concealer or something that they've been doing, but I don't know. Maybe another time. Naturality, there's really no need for me to, because I follow the bone, my eye socket, and yeah, nothing to it but to do it. Okay. Oh, forgot. that same taupe. Oops, wrong brush, almost messed up. This Boutique, very, very, very thin brush. And line my look, upper lash line. How you guys doing? You guys are all doing great. God willing. One more time. I should do it. One more time. How about that? Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's good. Now, oh yeah, the same Boutique eyeshadow brush that I used to apply the lid color. I'm gonna go above that taupe, right between the taupe and the brow bone highlight. Just go back and forth like that. I was thinking of using an orange, but I'm trying to keep this look very subtle. Very, very subtle. Okay, now I'm going to apply my mascara, and today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Wear. Because I'm almost done with that. I'm going to apply it to my upper lashes. This mascara is pretty good. I believe the problem with the LA Colors mascara is that it was brand new. Sometimes that happens to me. Like a mascara, I'll open it for the first time and use it, and it won't be that great. But then as it gets like a little older, like a few days or sometimes even a week, and it's like amazing. Very few mascaras have come out the gate giving me beautiful results, like the Nika K, like the Jordana. Very few. That's okay. I'm patient. I don't mind. And if push comes to shove, I just put on a pair of falsies. Oh, really? I'm pretty well stocked up on falsies. And I use my falsies when I go out with the hubby at night, on date nights, or a special occasion. I think one time I applied them. It was just for a tutorial. The second time, I believe I did it twice. The second time that night we went out on a date. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Another thing I do is I'll apply my mascara and wait for it to dry, and then I go over the tips like that. Gives me really good results. So yeah, tomorrow I gotta leave early in the morning. I'll do what we gotta do, right? Because I don't speak about everything in my life on here, but I'm going through some stuff. I sure am. In my personal life. been going on for years. I have PTSD, real BAD. My depression is bad. No depression is good. Okay, now I'm going to pick up this Boutique Brush Blush. This LA Colors blush. And this is in Spice. And that is what Spice looks like. It's very pretty. Quite pigmented. And I do believe I tapped out too much, but that's okay. Always go back in. Orangey toned and peach blushes work best on my complexion. I can pull off quite a few pinks, depending. Browns, like orangey brown blushes, I can pull them off really very well, very, very well. It depends on the look, actually, you know. I'm speaking for myself. A lot of it depends on the look. And LA Colors, you guys are so, sorry about that. You guys are so cute. But what am I going to do with this blush brush? Hey, something like this. Yeah. So let me see where we are at. This look. We're done. Apply some more of the Coral Crush. These LA Color lip glosses, it can be found at beauty supply stores. All LA Colors cosmetics, blushes, eyeshadows, mascaras. But you could also find these at your local Dollar Trees and Family Dollar. Smells so good. Oh my. I gotta build it a little to get more of that color. I really like that. It's lovely. No lip liner today, nothing like that. The reason why I did LA Colors again today is because I have this bin full of LA Colors eyeshadows. You guys wouldn't believe. On these hoops came from local beauty supply store also, silver tone. So did the headband. So yeah, that is Rose. And my husband told me, he says, you have so much that brand and Jordana and all that. He said, you gotta start using that stuff. And I said, yeah, I know. I can't let the depression, hold me back, because it's not right. I don't let it hold me back as far as work or school. So, oh yeah. Let me take you guys, you know where? Into the kitchen. It's really bright out today. You want to see? It's very sunny today. So yeah. It's a look. Simple, sweet, and subtle. Now back we go. What is that color? Oh. Very subtle. So if you guys would like to see me do like a more LA Colors looks, or if you would like to see my LA Colors eyeshadow collection, let me know in the comment section down below, because I have quite a bit. I may not have the biggest collection, but I have quite a bit. And so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, I do hope you all enjoy. May God continue to bless you and everyone you love always. And until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautifully. Ciao.